last time on Freddy's truck. We have to know what Freddy's gonna do to this guy to punish him. What are you gonna do? Really, I don't know. Don't worry. Snip, snip, snip. You'll be fine in a minute. No, I don't want to. No, I don't want to die. You did it. You killed our friends. You were a killer. You never helped them. You just wanted to kill. No. I can't. Snip, snip, snip. I did it. He was a real killer. Look at his ID. It says killer. Right, guys? It says killer. I'm going to leave that thing on him right there. He deserves this. He actually hurt our friends. Don't rest in peace. Rest. Burn in pieces. You should. While I help my friends. Friend, do you think Freddy will help his friends or do you not? Let's see. Hi guys. Hi. Hi Freddy. What you doing? Oh, nothing. Just borrowing this Rubik's Cube. Hey, I didn't tell you could borrow that. I know. What's wrong with you? Seems normal to me. Are you out of your mind, Chica? He's like some kind of killer ID, something like that. He's like possessed. That's it. He's possessed by a bad guy. Are you sure? He seems normal. Okay, fine. Hey, can I borrow your guitar? What are you doing? Taking it somewhere. Oh no, he figured out my secret weapon. It's the guitar gun. See, I told you he was evil. Seems pretty normal to me. Are you serious, Chica? No. Bonnie, this is just splattered cupcake everywhere. Are you okay? He's not breathing. His heart's not beating. Freddy, take this. Chica throws her cupcake. Ow. Hey, look. Cupcakes don't hurt me. Look at this. Kaboom. Ow. That doesn't really hurt. Well, then get this. Caught it. Hey, I know. Let's have a game of catch. No. Well, too bad. Finally, I have discovered the way of Freddy. Later. I'm alive. I'm actually alive. I thought I died. Me too. Hey, dude. I'm too fat to get out. Are you serious? What? Yeah. Whoa. Hey, don't go over there. I heard this. I can't say it. I cannot say it. Oh, okay then. Let's go back to see what's going on. Oh my gosh. What happened here? Chica's cupcake is splattered. Bonnie's guitar looked like it was just shooting bullets. Bonnie's guitar is a weapon, you know. No, I didn't know that. Well, it is. Well, now I know. Oh, Bonnie. Ugh, what happened? Chica, what happened? They're dead. What could this mean? And look over there. It's our helper. He died. Wait a minute, what's this on the floor? It's really tiny, I can't see it. Killer ID. Jackson McNaughton. He's the killer. His name is Jackson McNaughton. Back at Freddy. I'll take over that evil lab. Hey you. What? Get out of my face. You too. Huh? I will take over the evil science lab. Yeah. Foxy, don't worry. I'll teleport to see what Freddy's doing. I can contact Freddy. Freddy is over there in the evil science lab. I'll go teleport. Okay? Okay, while I take a nap. Okay. Okay, he's gone. Later, all the way back where Freddy is, in the evil science lab. Hey, I like teleporting. And I love saying lines like that. Freddy, what are you doing? Taking over the world like I normally do. You never do that. What is wrong with you? I am evil. Jackson McPufferson, or whatever his name is. He gave me an evil code. I'm not telling you. If you want to restore me, find it. The code. I'll come in the light for you. Let's see. 77489. Did that work? Nope, did not work. I'm still evil. Okay. Freddy and his Pizzeria 577. What happened? You turned evil. I forgot his name too. McPufferson. Whatever his name is, Jackson McPufferson, I don't know. He took over. Oh yeah, he was an evil lab scientist. Well, let's go. Hold on to me. Well, okay. Later, all the way back where Not So Freddy Fazbear's Pizza is. Then, what happened to Bonnie and Chica? You killed them whenever you were evil. What? Where's Foxy? Oh, hey guys, you're back. He's right there. Okay. Can I heal them? Freddy! Get Freddy! Yeah, get Freddy. Huh? What do you mean? What do you mean? You're evil. You killed us. No. Golden Freddy cracked his code and he got it back to normal. Oh, okay. Good. Every one of us agrees. Okay. Good. Hey, do you remember whenever I screamed like for 5 hours because of you, Chica? Huh? When was that? 2 months ago. The wind. 5 hours later. Back to the present. See? Do you remember that, Chica? Oh yeah, now I remember. I thought we were going to the beach that day. Oh, Chica. And why is Cupcake still splattered? I will take over the world. Even though I'm just a tiny cupcake glued to a plate. Get me off of this plate. Oh Oh no. Can Cupcake take over the world? That would be insane. Eh? Anyone? Nah, Freddy, your jokes are not good. What? Then what about this one? What's a kangaroo's favorite popsicle? I don't know that one, Freddy. Yeah, me neither. Me neither. Hopsicles. Oh, that is a funny one, Freddy. Maybe we shouldn't have said that. You're the best at jokes, Freddy. I'm better. What did the fox say to the hound? I don't know. We don't know. Hey, are you funny? I have to say that's not actually pretty funny. What? Okay, I don't know any more jokes. Oh. Hey, I got a good one. Why did Mickey Mouse go to space? I don't know. Yeah, that's a good one. I don't know. Me neither. Yeah. I know it. I don't know it. To find Pluto. Oh my gosh. That is a funny one, Bonnie. Yeah, you're funnier than me. Yeah, I thought that joke was pretty cool. I just can't stop laughing. That was so funny. I know, that's like one of my funniest jokes. Hey guys, do you play Roblox? No, not really. Oh, I know, I love that game. That's like the best game on earth. Yeah. Chica, do you know it? No. Foxy? No, but I do know Gary's Mod. It's like the coolest game in history. Oh, Gary's Mod. I don't have that game. No, me neither. I have the game. Me too. Oh, okay. Ooh, who should be the leader of this group? I should. I want to be. No, I'm me. Okay. Hold your horses here. I need to know who has a pony. I have a pony. Me. No. Chica is one of them. Okay. Who has a clicking nose in FNAF 4? Oh, I do. I'm the only one. Yeah, you're one of them. Okay. Who plays guitar in a band but is blue? That's me as a toy version. Yep, you're one of them. Ooh. And Golden Freddy. This is an animatronic who flies and he's a toy. That's Golden Toy Freddy. Yep. Okay, moving on to the next question. Who can fly? No, not me. Nope. Yes, I can fly, because look at this. I can, like, blast myself all the way up into outer space. Watch this. He's gone. Yep, definitely. I'm okay. Oh, that's weird. Golden Freddy, you are the leader of all of us. Aww. Yay! Don't tell me you blasted off in outer space again. Pachum! Yep, he did. Goodbye, everybody. We'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye. Dun, 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 dun. Peace out, brothers.